Welcome. We got Zapco today. The Z220 II. Got a spec on here. Not the greatest shape, but it's fine. Today we're gonna discuss about it. I have already opened it. I haven't made the video before I open it because it's quite busy lately, but I still have the picture of them when they're before unopened. Okay, today we're gonna discuss about the fault. Actually, this M comes live with the broken fuse. I don't know how they did it, but it's still alive. You can see there's sign of burn here, but it's okay. I think I have already found the problem, not because the high abuse of it. Actually, it's come from this one leaky capacitor. Sorry if I can take a zoom of it. Okay, looks fine. Let's make some small burn in here. We don't have to make the new wire because actually this section with this little section is actually all together in here, so we have no problem if we don't fix it. And this capacitor, even though it's usually normal, like normal Nippon Chemical if I'm not wrong, but 4 of them, I don't know, I think it's still all the original one, have a different end cap. You might think, oh, this one is already replaced, but if you pay attention on the mark on the type of the grid for the blown up, they look perfectly the same. From the color, I think they're all the same. I think it's all come with the original equipment. For the big one, you can see there's some unusual sign of broke. I open it and it's all look fine, but still I'm not gonna make any gambling. I'm gonna change them. Okay, this is the inside. Let's see if I can get this thing right. Okay, much better. The internal, they all look well. I like the way they arrange the component. I like they arrange some red and yellow color, make it more beautiful. Okay, you can see. Now this M is one of the DIY unfriendly, because when you open this, actually there's a lot of going you need to do. Not just as simple as 1, 2, 3. It's very hard. Let me explain why. You can see in the picture, it's soldered, and the M have to slide to open, so you have to unsolder and solder them. It's okay from one side or both sides, and it's quite difficult as usually there's a silicone paste here, the paper one, so you have to, usually they got stick each other. Position would be like this. I don't know if I arrange it backward or forward. It's gonna be like this. You have to unsolder it because it's gonna have to slide it side. When you open this type of M, remember there's some hidden bolt in here. This is type of the bolt. so it's pop up like this, and you screw up from the top, make the board steady in the heatsink. Very unfriendly. You have to unsolder, even you have to choose between this or this, but yes, it's unfriendly. It's quite hard for regular people to open it. Well, I think that's all I can say. That's all I can make the video today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.